Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since the last update on this one, but definitely want to get it updated here, as from a technical perspective at least, the chart is now hanging around a very, very important level. And for those of you that even have just really a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you know where I'm headed with this. But right now, the price is essentially sitting right at that pink line, and that pink line is the very famous 200-day simple moving average. Like I was saying, if you have just even a surface basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day simple moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it, because that is always becomes a very important level of support. And so far, so good. To give the bull some credit, the price is hanging up around that area. Now, granted, it is got a downward slope to it, so there's kind of a little bit of ambiguity there. There we go. Can you tell it's Friday? But, you know, the price is staying up above that level, and that's what you want to see. And going into next week, that's really the key kind of thing, from a technical perspective, that is, that you would want to still see occur going forward. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above the 200-day, I did want to map out another couple areas of support. The next one being right there at $2.70. Now, I'm not saying that that pink line is going to fail, because there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. And so far, the price is trying to stay up above it. But if it does not get the bounce and continues to separate, next level of support again at 270, and then the next one after that. And I would say 270 is very important, because after 270, nothing until $2.50. Now, am I saying that if the price breaks through 270 within 7 seconds, it's going to be at 250? I'm not saying that, but like I said, technically speaking, there's just no other really history of buying areas other than 250, and 250 does seem to be a very solid area of support. I mean, it acted as support right there, and then several times right there, the bears try to push down through it, but once again, it held very strong, and actually that was where the very nice bounce happened right there. But I'm getting a little too far ahead of ourselves, because right now the price is maintaining above that 200-day simple moving average, and that is the important part going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward in this regard. It's all about the younger brother of the 200-day simple moving average, which is being denoted by that purple line right there, the 50-day simple moving average. You can see right now the price is struggling quite a bit to get back above it after it fell below it. That's just typical technical analysis there. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as a resistance, and that's exactly what's happening right there. So when any sort of bounces next week, 50-day simple moving average is that key level of resistance. But in my opinion, at least, top priority right now was definitely stabilizing, and if it can stabilize up above that pink line, that would be the best case scenario.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.